Since the last episode, I did this. And since then, I've been offering people democracy with the illusion that they have a choice. In this case, I did a vote. So here's what you could have won. Making a sick exhaust system. I could have used this episode to make my full exhaust system using all of this lovely stuff. I could have done wiring and electrical things. I could have removed all of this disgraceful mess. Or started transplanting over this beautiful mess. Or even made a start on transplanting this even more beautiful mess. I could have torn apart more stuff. Or painted things to make them look pretty. Instead, you opted for this. Cooking an English breakfast. I hope you're all happy. Now the truth is, you all fell for my trap. The truth is, I wanted to add another episode, which gives me 2 weeks more time where I don't have to do anything. Maybe I'm in Australia. Maybe I'm riding around the world on a motorbike right now. Who knows? So it's time for the highest calorie montage you've ever seen on this channel. You voted for this. What's wrong with you? Next episode is the exhaust. I'm going to be a dictator again. There will be no more voting. That is literally 20 kilos of muffler.